Greetings and welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to change the price of certain products on your storefront using the central stock feature on Agile Store Locator. So let's get started. So here we have a website that is set at the white shop storefront, and your customers can choose different store locations from here. But for the time being, let's look at this store location. So you can see we have 4 products over here. So let's change the price of these products from the central stock section. For that, we will go to WordPress and go to the Agile Store Locator plugin and click on Central Stock. Once we are at the Central Stock section, we will locate the products for which we want to change the price for. So let's change the price one by one. The first one was these black shoes. So we are at the white shop storefront, so click on Update over here. And now let's change the price. The regular price will be, let's say, $55.99, and the sale price will be $44.99, and click on Update. And now we will continue to do this for the rest of the products as well. Here is the second product. Click on Update. Let's make the regular price as $65.89, and the sale price will be $45.99, and click on Update. Now the last one was a overprint t-shirt, and it was in green. So here it is. Let's click on Update over here, change the price, and click on Update. So once all the prices have been updated, let's go back to the storefront and click on Refresh. And as you can see, the prices have been updated for all of these 3 products, which we changed in the central stock section. So now let's place some of these products in the cart to see how the customer journey will take place. So let's add this to the cart, and this as well. Now let's proceed to checkout. So on the checkout page, we will scroll down here and use the local pickup shipping option, and come down here and place the order. And the order has been received. Now let's check the order details on WooCommerce. So here is the order that we just placed right now. Click on it to view the order details. So here we have the complete details of the order. You can see the product which was ordered, as well as the store location from where these products were ordered from. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.